Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make image transparent in Canva on PC. So the first step is to simply open your Canva project, and as you can see I have this white background. Now I'm gonna add an element just to show you how this works. So as you can see I have this car, and let's say I want to export this image and I want this to have a transparent background so that I can use only this car image. So in order to do that, you're gonna have to click on share and then click on download. Now here you're gonna have to select PNG and check transparent background. Now keep in mind that in order to be able to use this feature, you're gonna need to have Canva Premium. So if you want, you can try it for 30 days for free, or if not, you can simply buy it. And basically with this feature enabled, you're gonna have your transparent image. So make sure to check this and click on download, and that's it. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.